Hey, what is going on guys? It's Top Gaming Tech Place here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we shall go through my 100 installed PlayStation 2 games on my PS4. So for this to work on your PS4, you can convert the games with a converter on your PC by yourself, or you can also install the ones which are already converted by the various codemasters. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys how or where you can get the already converted files, but I am sure you guys can figure it out yourself. By the way, let me know what you think at the comment section.